Since I met my Gurudev, he understands me so well. I don't really need another man in my life.
Bhakti and Priyanka. Okay, this is Bhakti and Priyanka. This is another personality. Okay.
So Gurudev, I'm tired of relationships. I've never found a man who understands me like you understand me, Gurudev. And these men, they're not trustworthy at all. And since I've met you, Gurudev, you understand me so well. So I don't need any other man in my life.
Danger sign. Guru becoming husband. So a woman thinking she doesn't need to be married. What could be a very good relationship with the spiritual master turn into something very toxic and dysfunctional. Right? No, it's good for the disciple to be honest and dependent, but there's a healthy way to be honest and dependent, and there's an unhealthy way. And so in her situation, she's become dysfunctionally dependent to the point that she's avoiding the responsibility of being a wife. Oh, it's easy, you know. This is a real life situation for me. I've been dealing with a situation like this for a few months of someone who didn't think they needed to be married and, you know, wanted to be a renunciate and fell in love a week later. I had another disciple who vowed he would never get married, hooked up with another devotee a week later. You know, so it's a very common thing. I see that I can make headway and explain to her how actually she is attached and she doesn't realize it, then I would do that. So those are the different approaches. I would let it go and let her realize it, let it go because she can't be married, or I would tell her how artificial this is. And